Hey everybody, it's Walter Wesley here, and we are on Short Attention Span Science University, Science Theater, whatever you want to call it there. It's all about the short attention span, so I'm going to rush through this as quick as I can. It's all about the E negative, it's all about life, it's all about our bodies in the end. It's all about you. Now, I got some interesting theories that I sort of put together, and one is that the sun is pure E. Actually, it's a dark ball of pure electrical energy surrounded by an atmosphere of hydrogen that is fusing, and that's why we see it as orange. But it's actually beneath that orange, you have a round black ball of pure energy, and that's causing a perturbation in the ether, and that creates wavelengths, and then the wavelengths come to us, and there's life, right? Yeah, there is. But there are a couple steps, of course, and many steps that we don't even know about. But one step that has to happen is electricity. Electricity is in everything, and it's in the very essence of life itself too. And when that energy gets enough ionization energy, and it hits water, and it hits as water's expanding, it gets into clouds. It's strong enough to chase off the OH ion and the H ion and the free electron and the OH ion, negative OH ion, but also free electrons. And the free electrons then are gathered in the clouds, and the clouds then go to create are rubbed together in a high enough concentration and create electricity. Okay, somewhere after that's happened, the seeds of the earth were getting zapped by electricity. Big mystery happened, and you had cells. Basic cells were, proportional stages that we don't even know about. You had these wonderful cells, and what the cells do is they contain this E. They pass it off. I'm gonna, so I wrote this down. Here I have the cell going into mitosis and the cell division here, and showing that the cells in the inside of the cells has the E energy potential, basically, as opposed to the outside of the cell. And then it goes through a stage of mitosis, and it divides, and that's why we divide our cells all the time. But I want to basically show this thing: life contains, uses, and passes on the E. Mitochondria allows our cells to use the oxygen. Mitochondria use oxygen with nutrients to give us the E negative. In other words, energy. So that is I guess you could call it one cycle or one idea of how the sun gives us energy. There's the other way, of course, involving plants too, and I'll get into that on another short attention span theater. But right now, we've gone over 3 minutes. This is Walter Wesley saying goodbye, and arrivederci.